I'm Heidi Wyle, CEO and founder of Venti Technologies, which I founded with MIT professor and CSAIL director Daniela Roos. Our goal is to be the leader in autonomous vehicle logistics systems. Welcome to Singapore Port. These ships are sitting in the harbor, going nowhere, with $500 billion worth of goods on them each day, sitting in the water. The supply chain is surprisingly fragile, and Venti's goal is to help strengthen that supply chain. There are a major lack of skilled drivers right now, 80,000 in the US. The average age of a Japanese professional driver is 58 years old. That's not sustainable and causing skyrocketing costs to get goods around the globe to people who need them. Venti's goal: reduce costs, improve safety, and harden operations using our self-driving vehicles. And you can see this big container truck here. The technology comes out of Daniela's lab. It's a full scope software-based system for self-driving vehicle logistics. It's full scope soup to nuts, has three major components. The vehicles here, this is a fleet of container trucks turned into robots. We have a software stack that mimics what you and I do when we drive. So these vehicles, 60 feet long, can drive themselves. And then finally, we add a safety layer using remote operations. Venti can turn any vehicle into a robot. Here are those container trucks we use. Here's this one against a ship. These are manufacturing yard trucks, and this is a street sweeper. This is the most important slide. I have 2 points. Our customers tell us they will save 60% of operations human capital costs when our vehicles are deployed. This is an economic dislocation. It's a tidal wave. Secondly, Venti has developed the technology to run these vehicles 60 feet long and articulated with a 2-centimeter positional accuracy. 2 centimeters, we can park and drive down the middle of the road. Here's the crane driving up next to the robot. And you'll see that the spreader can load and unload that container that's in the air now onto the robot with no human intervention at all, because we can park so close to the crane. We can now operate 24/7. We partner with the world's second largest container port. We've had about 10 million in revenue to date. And we are moving towards fleets of thousands of vehicles with our customers. Our partnership goals, thank you very much for your interest in us. We work in logistics hubs and enclosed environments, ports, airports, factories, warehouses. And we look for large yard operations with large numbers of vehicles, multi-shift operations. We start with a pilot project that's followed by tens to hundreds to thousands of autonomous vehicles. We welcome you to speak with us about your problems and how we can help identify solutions and help you increase safety and save significant costs in your operations. Thank you from Team Venti.
Great. Thanks, Heidi. Great. So as you pose questions for Heidi and the other startups, let me start with one. Can you highlight a little more, a couple of things that make Venti unique versus other technologies in the market?
We can. So we found it out of MIT, and our MIT roots, as I suspect everyone on this call knows, are very important. This tech is difficult, and I think that now with a large team of people with MIT roots, we probably have the best autonomy team in the world. What that means is we've had 0 safety incidents. We outperform others by creating nuance and strength in the software algorithms, which we are now deploying in the port. We are planning for first in the world of a fleet deployment of tens of these vehicles in 2023 with our corporate partner. And that power comes from the tech and the people.
Super. And just, let's see, I'll take one from the chat. Who helps your client rethink the loading process?
We stand on the shoulders of port giants, and we deliver them autonomy and algorithms that build in their port wisdom into our software system. So they are the ones who actually rethink the loading process when we deliver the autonomy and the tech to do it differently.
Thanks, Heidi.